All right, well, good evening, fans. We want to welcome everybody in here tonight on AudioSportsOnline.com. Rob Kendall is my name. We are live from Zionsville High School as your Eagles will play host tonight to the Noblesville Millers. Got about 5 minutes left on the clock before we begin tonight's contest. So as we await the beginning of the game, let's take a moment to walk you through our starting lineups for the Zionsville Eagles. It will be number 1, Andrew Dockett, 6'2", a senior. Number 11 is Michael Solomon, 5'11", a junior. 22, Dalton Judd, 6 foot, a senior. Scotty Panola, 6'4", a senior. And number 32, Alex Cibula, 6'4", a junior. So Dockett, Solomon, Judd, Panola, and Cibula, the starters for your Zionsville Eagles. The Noblesville Millers, who you can see coming off the floor now. It will be number 3, Jordan Goodman, a senior. 10, Jake Mills, a sophomore. 23, Darius Duncan, a senior. 30, Sam Philpott, a senior. And 40, Jack Tritipo, a junior. So Goodman, Mills, Duncan, Philpott, and Tritipo, the starting lineups tonight for the Noblesville Millers. So 3 minutes on the clock, both teams in the locker room. We're going to step aside, take a break, and when we come back, we're going to have high school basketball for you tonight. Coming up, Zionsville, Noblesville, right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. All right, there you have our playing of our national anthem, and now we will have our starting lineups and then basketball action. Rob Kendall's my name. I want to thank you for joining us tonight right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Noblesville Millers getting ready to be introduced. They'll be the visitors in black, gold letters and numbers. Again, it's John Goodman, Jake Mills, Darius Duncan, Sam Philpott, and Jack Tridipo, your starters for the Millers. For the Eagles, it's Andrew Dockich, Michael Salmon, Dalton Judd, Scotty Pinola, and Alex Cibola. And we do want to thank the Zionsville athletic staff. As always, we love Greg and the guys out here that are super helpful with us tonight, getting an extension cord. So I want to thank those guys. Couldn't ask for anything more. And again, the Eagles will be the home team in white. They'll be moving from right to left on your computer screen. It'll be Tridipo to tip it up for the Millers. Against Cibola. Tipped up, controlled by Dockich. To the hole, 2-0 Zionsville. Quick basket by Andrew Dockich. Puts the Eagles in the lead. And now let's see if the Millers can respond. Cross court it comes. Right side. To Goodman in the corner. 3-ball up and in. And that was Philpott with the 3. We here at Audio Sports Online saw these Millers last weekend as they played the Brownsburg Bulldogs, one of our fine other schools we cover. Eagles respond with a 3 from Salmon. So it's a 5-3 ball game early on. Pretty good crowd on hand here tonight, especially when you factor in that it is a weeknight. Around the horn it comes, all the way left side. 3-ball. Good. Sharp shooting from the Millers. And that'll make it 6-5. And we are but a minute into the ball game. Dockich. All the way right side to Salmon. Now over to Judd. Judd to Salmon, back to Judd. Eagles the home team in white, green letters and numbers. Millers, black jerseys, gold letters and numbers. Dockich dribbling. Now it takes it to the center of the floor. After the quick start, Eagles really slowing down. That's Pinola with the ball in the corner. 3-ball up and good. Andrew Dockich a 3. Now back the other way. Tridipo, jumper up, no. Rebound, Duncan. Loose ball fought for, stripped away. Dockich had it. Back on the floor it goes. And here come the Eagles out of it. Judd's got it. He's going to take it all the way. And a charging foul called on Dalton Judd. So Judd commits the charge, and the Eagles will turn it over. 8-6 our score. 5:42 left to play. First quarter of action. Again, Rob Kendall is my name. I want to thank you for joining us tonight right here on your home for the Zionsville Eagles, AudioSportsOnline.com. And we got a traveling called on the Eagles. Or, I'm sorry, on the Millers. Turnover forced by the Eagles. Dockage with it. All the way right side. Will take it with the right hand, and Andrew Dockage up and in for two. Now there's a steal by Panola. 10-6. Eagles with the lead. Dockage down inside and up and in for two. Cibola with the two, and a timeout called by Noblesville. 12-6. Eagles lead it. 5:08 left to play in the first quarter. All right, here we go, inbound. Three ball is no good. Loose ball tipped up. Duncan grabs the rebound, puts it up. No. And Judd comes out of there with the rebound. Three ball. Judd, top of the key. Off the front of the rim, no good. Duncan skies for the rebound. And here come the Millers running back the other way. Duncan, coast to coast. Flips it in the corner. There's a three ball. It's up. It's good. And that was Goodman for three. Knocked out of bounds. Last touch by Noblesville. 4:20 to play. First quarter of action. (12-9) the score. Judd dribbles. Flips it right side to Dockage. Dockage between the legs. Comes up top. Judd's got it to the foul line in the corner. Three ball. Solomon up. No good. Air ball. Rebound to Cibola. Cibola blocked. Out of bounds. And it'll belong to the Zionsville Eagles. 3:52 left to play. First quarter. Dockage will throw it in. Gets it back. Three ball up. No good. Rebound tracked down. Power dribble. Shot up. No good. Rebound fought for. Out of bounds. No, a foul's going to be called. I don't think they're going to get the Eagles with the infraction. 3:45 left to play in the first quarter. It's 12-9 in favor of Zionsville. The full court press. And the ball's knocked out of bounds. And it'll belong to Zionsville. No, check that. They're going to say that three was good. I'm sorry. Had a momentary equipment infraction there. So had to look down. And that three ball was good. Dockage dribbling on the wing. Now brings it back up towards the center of the floor. Around the horn it comes all the way to Solomon. Solomon in the corner to number 5. That's Braden Hall. Hall into the basket. Up top to Dockage. Dockage a three. It's no good. Rebound out of bounds, and it'll belong to the Millers. So we're tied at 12. With 2:52 left to play in the first quarter. Duncan to the hole, flips it outside. Right side, 3-ball up, good! 3-ball from number 10, Mills, and the sharp shooting continues for the Eagles. And a 3-ball back the other way from Salmon is good. And it's 15 apiece, 2:20 left to play in the first. Both teams pretty evenly matched early on. Ball nearly stripped. Loose ball fought for. Jump ball called. And it's going to belong to the Millers. Down to Duncan. Duncan traveled with the ball. They didn't call it. Loose ball. Inside. Shot up. No good. Put back. No good. They'll call a jump ball now. As number 20, Justin Pegas, was tied up. 45 is Tyler Scott, also in the ball game. Minute 55 left to play in the first. Eagles with the ball. Tie game. Again, Rob Kendall is my name. I want to thank everybody for joining us tonight right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Floating jumper around and in. Solman for 2. And that'll make it 17-15. In the corner, 3-ball. Automatic. Goodman and Mills, just as we saw at the Brownsburg game last week, almost unbeatable from 3-point range. Dockich with the ball, dribbles all the way to the right block. Acrobatic shot is up and in. Andrew Dockich for 2. Eagles up by 1, 19-18. Fans in full force. Pass inside to the big guy. Scott, turnaround, left-handed shot, no good. Rebound pulled out of there by Dockich, and with 40 seconds to go, Zionsville once again in possession of the basketball. Dockich, right side to Hall. Hall to Dockich, back to Hall. Over to Dockich. Dockich will face up. Clock winding down. Dockich dribbles past his man, takes it, floating jumper, up. Oh, no good. Rebound pulled out of there by Pegas. 3-ball, no good. Rebound tracked down by Cibola, and an exciting first quarter comes to an end. The Eagles lead it 19-18. We'll take a 2-minute break. Be back. Second quarter coming your way here on AudioSportsOnline.com. All right, here we go. Second quarter underway. 19-18 our score. Eagles and Noblesville not in a close one. Eagles on the high side of the score. Rob Kendall is my name. I want to thank everybody for joining us tonight right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. In the corner. Back up top to Goodman. Goodman to Mills. Mills. Whoa. That was an NBA range three fading away, and he drilled it. 21-19. Right side. That'll come back center of the floor over to Jake Mann, number 15 in the ball game for the first time. First foul called as the ball quickly up and in. Speaking of in, Zionsville gets it in. Aaron Powell for 2. And it's 21 apiece. 7 minutes to play, first half. 2 fouls on the Eagles, 1 on the Millers. So it's been a quick-paced game. We knock on wood and say so far. Oh, Mills wanted to shoot that 3, passed on it. Ball on the floor, center of the lane. Knocked away. Nice defense there by Panola. Panola running back the other way to Dockich. Dockich. Left side. Over to Salmon. And the ball knocked out of bounds. It'll belong to the Eagles. Eagles in white. Green letters and numbers. Zionsville, the visitors in black. Gold letters and numbers. Rob Kendall is my name. Thanks for joining us tonight right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Or if you're joining us via our archive podcast, we welcome those of you in as well. Don't fast forward if you're watching on the archive. Keep it right here. Salmon, 3. For some reason, Mills like to try to save that ball. I'm not sure why. It appeared to be an air ball by the Eagles, so it would have been Zionsville ball. 6:16 to play. First half, 21 apiece our score. And Salmon lost the handle on the ball, and it'll sail out of bounds. It's going to belong to the Millers, so a turnover. Bit of a second life there for Zionsville, and they could not take advantage. Around the horn it comes, right side. 23, that's Duncan with it. To Goodman. To Mills. 3 ball, no good. Rebound, track down. Now it's on the floor. Loose ball, hot potato out of bounds. Jordan Saul is number 12 in the ball game. 5:56 left to play, first half. Three ball. Good. Drano. That was Mann for 3. 24-21. Eagles with the lead. Anticipation steal by Dockich. Great play. Saw that pass coming. Got in there, knocked it away, and now runs it up across the 10-second line. Dockich dribbles all the way left side to the left block. Layup is good for 2. And now a timeout. Going to be called by Dave McCullough. 5 minutes, 1 second to play. First half. It is a 26-21 Zionsville lead. Pass, great pass inside, and Tritipo puts it up and in for 2. (26-23) 4:25 left to play in the first half of action. Eagles with the lead in the ball. Solomon has it out in the wing, and now 30-second timeout. Going to be called by Zionsville. 4:23 left to play. Anticipation. Steal off the inbound. Knocked out of bounds. They'll say it belongs to Noblesville. So the Eagles. Philpott, left side. Round the horn to Duncan. Into the big guy. Spin move. Shot up. No good. He'll draw the foul. And with 4 minutes to go, Philpott will have a chance to cut into the Zionsville lead. First one is up. No good. Second one coming up for Philpott. Chance to cut the lead to 1. Or to 2, I'm sorry. Shot is up. It is good. Dockich with it. Top of the key. Over to Braden Hall. Hall dribbles back up top. And a bump. And a foul. And a steal off the inbound. Eagles turn it over again. I think that's 3 trips in a row now. 3 ball. No good. Rebound Dockich. Pass over there to Cibola out of bounds. And another trip down the floor where the Eagles fail to put the ball in the hole. Three ball, Philpott up, no. Rebound pulled out of there by Dockich. Here come the Eagles, running back the other way. Hall with it, down into Cibola. Cibola up top to Dockich. He'll try a 3. It's good. Andrew Dockich for 3. And it's 29-24. Right side, 3 ball, back the other way, no good. Rebound tipped up, pulled down, put up, no. Tipped away, Hall saves it. Takes it all the way left side. Dockich, another 3. Yes! Andrew Dockich feeling it. And the Eagles are up by 8. 8-point lead for Zionsville as we play along. Minute 50 to play, first half. Nearly a tie-up. Duncan down to the big guy, Tritipo. Foul called. And he will be heading to the free throw line with a minute 46 to go. Shot is up. No good. One more on the way. Second one up and good. 32-25. Minute 46. Left to play in the first half. Salmon. All the way to the right side. Picks it up. Down into Dockich. That's Panola. I'm sorry. And Panola up and in for 2. 34-25. Minute 20 to play. All the way right side. Now back cross court left. Zionsville denying the three-point shot, and now a bump is called on number 45, Josh Dunlop, 6'7", a sophomore, for the Zionsville Eagles. Down inside to Tritipo. Tritipo fouled. He'll shoot 2. Oh, no, they're going to call travel first. Zionsville bench asking for a travel, and they got it. Dockich with it to Panola. Around the horn it comes. Back cross court. Hall with it, holding the ball, looking, comes in the corner. Now skips it back over to Dockich. Dockich. Little game of keep away here. In the corner, Salmon a 3. No good. And a foul is called with 4 seconds to go. And they might get Dunlop, another foul over the back. No, they're going to get Dockich. Second foul on Dockich, so a bit of an untimely foul there for a key player on the Zionsville squad. 34-25 our score. We got 4 seconds left here in the first half. Inbound, Corey across the timeline over to Mills, and he did not get it off. So that'll end the first half. 34-25 our score. We'll take a break. Be back with our second half. Eagles lead it over the Millers here on AudioSportsOnline.com. All right. Well, we welcome everybody back here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Rob Kendall with you. 34-25. Zionsville leading Noblesville. Good second quarter for the Eagles. The Zionsville ball to begin the second half. They're going to move from left to right on your computer screen. Dockett takes the high screen, now lost the ball. There's a steal by Goodman. Goodman to the hole, and he'll lay it up and in for two. Three ball, Solomon. Good! (37-27) our score. 7:15 left to play in the third. Tritipo, trapped, dribbles through it, flips it up top. Long two from Darius Duncan, no good. Tritipo, rebound, spin move, goes back up and in. Nice effort there by the Noblesville big. And that will make it a 37-29 ball game. (37-29) is our score. Ball tipped away, out of bounds. That's touched by the Millers. So Zionsville will have it up 8, 6:22 left to play in the third quarter. Dockage with the ball up across the 10-second line. Dockage takes the handoff, now to Solomon, now to Pinola, back to Judd. Judd dribbles all the way to the left block, goes up, shot high off the rim, no good. Loose ball tipped up, pulled out of there. And here come the Millers as Philpott puts it in for two. 37-31. Lead is 6. And now whistle away from the ball. Around the horn it comes. Nice move there by Solomon, but he lost the handle on it. And back the other way. Here come the Millers. And a traveling is called on Noblesville. 5:20 to go. 37-31 our score in the third. Pinola across the timeline, throws it off the Noblesville defender. Saved by Dockage, saved by Pinola, but now it will head out of bounds. And that'll be a turnover on the Eagles. Jumper, Duncan, up, no. Rebound, Duncan. Power dribble, lost the handle on it. Duncan grabs it back, and now a foul is going to be called on Judd. Duncan was able to out-jump Judd on that one. And Judd got some arm as he went up for the basketball. Three ball, short, rebound, track down. Pass down inside to Panola, spin move, shot up, no good. Rebound pulled out of there. Here comes Noblesville, down by 6. Goodman in the corner to Duncan. Duncan on the floor, back up top. Now all the way right side. That was Mills losing the handle on it. Ball tipped away by Cibla, and unfortunately took it away from Dockich, and it ended up back in the hands of Tritipo with 4:05 to play. Philpott on the floor, and a foul on his way to the basket. No, they'll call it a 2-shot foul, and that 2-shot foul shot is up. It's good. That's 37-32. 4 minutes left to play in the third quarter. Dockich, floating jumper, no. Rebound tipped up, fought for, pulled out of there. And here come the Millers running back the other way. Long jumper, up, short. Rebound pulled down. And here come the Eagles. And now a whistle and a timeout going to be called by the Eagles. 30-second timeout, 37-33. 3:24 left to play in the third. Oh, Dockich all the way to the hole. Puts it up and in for 2. Andrew Dockich nails the deuce. And he's having a great game. Don't have a point total on him, but great game so far for Dockich. And Philpott missed the shot and then made the foul. And Duncan able to get in there. He wanted a foul, didn't get it. But he did get the basket, and that'll make it 39-35. Dockich with the ball, right side. Solomon, 3! 42-35. 2 minutes, 30 seconds to play. Oh, now steal by Dockich. Dockich running the floor. Here we go. Going coast to coast. Dockich with the left hand in for 2. Dockich taking over for the Eagles. And a timeout called by the Millers. 44-35. Eagles back up by 8. Full timeout. All right, here we go. 44-35, 2 minutes, 10 seconds left to play in the third quarter. Duncan for three. And that's exactly what Noblesville wanted out of that timeout. 44-38 the score as we move with a minute 50 to play in the third quarter. Panola on the floor, dribbles left side, spin move in the lane, right-handed layup in for two. Scotty Panola for two, 46-38. Eagles on top by 8. And a foul is called. It will be before the shot, so it'll be ball out of bounds for the Millers. What's up, buddy? Inside, spin move, shot up. Go, didn't get it to go. And Philpott will head to the foul line. That was Athletic Director Greg Shellhouse, our good friend, and, our good friend. And always nice to see and talk to him, and couldn't ask for a better, more supportive guy, thanks to Greg and all he does. Shot is up, it's good. (46-39). Miller's at the foul line, now 46-40. Pressure. Called. 59. Go. And now a whistle and a foul on the Millers, well away from the basket, as that was 32 Cole Brittinger who committed the foul. I came from work. We love Greg. He's a regular regular prankster. In the corner, left side. Up top to Dockage. Dockage flips it off. Over to Mann. Mann to Salmon. Salmon, nice shot. Couldn't get it to go. And back the other way. Here come the Millers. And it looks like they're going to hold for the final shot of the third quarter. Philpott, three ball, no good. Rebound, out of bounds, and they will say that is it for the third quarter. So a very exciting first three quarters. 46-40 is our score. We're going to take a break, and when we come back, we're going to have our final 8 minutes of basketball. You're listening to watching I should say, Zionsville Eagle Athletics right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. All right, final 8 minutes. Here we go. All the way over to Corey. Corey to Duncan. Duncan. Now right side to Corey. Corey facing up, looking, nowhere to go with the ball. Now left side to Philpott. Philpott. As the Millers work the ball around the perimeter. 7:28 to play. Inside to the big guy. Philpott gets it off, up, and in for two. And that was 32. Brenninger with the big basket. Now full court press. 46-42. Salmon to Panola. Panola looking, trying to go back door. Now gets it off to Dockich. Dockich underneath the basket. Flips it over to Salmon. Wide open for three. Got it! Salmon a three, and the lead is back to 7. 49-42. 6:45 left to play in the contest. Right side to Duncan. Duncan. Around the horn it comes. Three ball. Corey. No good. Rebound. Stripped away out of bounds, and it'll belong to the Millers. Inbound to Philpott off the glass. No good. Tipped up. Loose ball. Out of there. Judd's got it. Gets it head to Dockich. Here come the Eagles pushing now. To Judd. I'm sorry, that's Panola. Panola facing up. Started to give it to Judd. Now flips it in the corner. Dockich a three. No good. Rebound pulled out of there by Mills. Here comes Mills running back the other way. In the corner, Philpott, three, no good. Rebound pulled out of there. And Dockich has it. The Eagles can begin to run some clock if they would so choose, with a 7-point lead up with 5 minutes and 30 seconds to go now in the ball game. Judd dribbles, now comes back up top. Judd's got it, center of the floor. Nice move to the hole. Panola, pump fake. Got fouled, no call. Judd got it stripped away by Duncan. I think he was looking for a jump ball there. And the Millers now have possession. Philpott to the hole. Off the hands. Unfortunately for the Eagles, it ends up in the hands of Duncan. Duncan fires a three, and it's good. Boy, big change of events there. Salmon had his hands on it, couldn't get the ball, and it ends up a three-pointer. 49-45, 4 minutes, 35 seconds left to play in the contest. Now ahead, Panola across the timeline. And a whistle and a timeout called by, a foul. Foul called on the Millers. Foul on Noblesville. 49-45, 4:32 left to play in the ball game. Judd holds high on the wing. Takes it into Dockich. Oh, missed the layup. Great try. And now nearly a steal. Duncan's got it. Runs it across the 10-second line. Takes it left side to Mills. Mills, a three. Off the front of the rim. No good. 4 minutes to go. Dockich running back the other way. Dockich flips it in the corner to Salmon. Salmon to Judd. Judd back to Salmon. Salmon dribbles to the right block. Skips it underneath the basket. Save comes to Duncan. Back the other way. Jumper up, short. All sorts of action going on here. And the Eagles, with Dakich running the floor, up by 4 with 3:30 to play in the ball game. Time winding down. In the corner, 3-ball. Good! And Braden Hall drills the 3. And that is going to make it a 52-45 ball game. Timeout Zionsville, and I think they're very tired. And I think that's why that timeout was called. Zionsville, timeout, up by 7 with 3 minutes and 7 seconds left to play in the contest. .307 left to go. 52-45 the score. Zionsville with the lead. And they will be on defense when we resume. Again, Rob Kendall is my name. I want to thank you for joining us tonight right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Hope you're having a great Tuesday evening. And good night so far for the Eagles here in Central Indiana, as we got 3 minutes and 7 seconds of action left to go on a rare Tuesday night contest. Full court pressure by the Eagles. And I really do think that timeout called by Zionsville was simply to give the kids a breather. They looked very, very tired after that stretch of fast-paced action. Noblesville not appearing to be in much of a hurry despite being down 7. And we will see what they can come up with here. Right side, Corey had it, passed on it. Now left. Good job by Zionsville owning the perimeter in the corner. There's a 3, and it is good. Corey for 3, and that is exactly what Noblesville needed. Now they'll run a full court press. 2 minutes, 25 seconds to go. Got a man open. Nearly stolen, though. Ends up back in the hands of Solomon. 52-48. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left to play. Eagles with the ball. Up top, Dakich on the wing. Dribbles between the legs. Takes it now. Nearly has it stolen. He does. Foot race to the basket. Goodman and Dakich. And it is up and in for 2. And Noblesville, I'm sorry, that was Corey, not Goodman with the steal. 2 minutes to play. 52-50. Two pretty evenly matched teams in a very evenly matched game. Now we'll see what the Eagles can come up with. Hall's got the ball in the wing. Dribbles to the center of the floor. Now left side to Solomon. Check that. That's number, yeah, that is Hall, number 5. To Solomon. Now Hall high up. Zionsville, I think, kind of had their free throw shooters in there, but obviously the tide changing a little bit. And now a foul is called on sixth team foul called on the Millers. So Zionsville will now shoot free throws the rest of the way. Eagles still with the ball. There's the inbound to Judd in the backcourt. He'll walk it up across the 10-second line. Judd comes back, center of the floor. Left side over to Solomon. Minute 20 to play. Dakich, check that. Judd with it. Judd dribbles right side, now back up top. Judd dribbling, nearly has it stolen away. To Panola. Panola holding. Guarded closely by the big guy, Trinipo. Up top, ball ran into his own player, and a foul is called on Noblesville on Mills. I think Solomon may have just ran in to Andrew Dakich, but the officials call the foul, and with a minute 3 to go, Eagles to the foul line. Chance to make it a 2-possession ball game. Shot is up. It is no good. Rebound fought for, out of bounds. Oh, what a great play. Dalton Judd, Johnny on the spot, able to knock it off the Zionsville player. I'm sorry, off the Noblesville player. And with a minute to play, Eagles right back where they want to be with the ball. Hall has it, nearly stolen away. Mills playing close defense. Dockich has got it. He is not the guy they want to foul. Now he will burn a timeout as he was trapped in the corner. 51 seconds to go. Eagles with the ball and a chance, perhaps, to wrap this thing up if they can continue to hit free throws. All right, here we go. Ball back in. Zionsville will have it. Do not see how many timeouts they have left up there. That does not appear on the scoreboard. But the Eagles are going to have the ball. And it is coming in the backcourt to Dockich. Dockich all the way to the hole, and he got the layup. The MVP of the ball game, scoring the biggest basket thus far, 54-50. 35 seconds to go. Timeout, Noblesville. 35 seconds left to play. Eagles up by 4. All right, here we go. Noblesville needs to score and score quick. Mills has it on the wing to Duncan. Duncan is strong arm. Good play. Dalton Judd pushing him out of bounds. Foul to give. Is it it? Have a little forearm shiver there. We're not going to give up the easy two. They still do have a foul to give. Oh, nearly stolen away, and boy, they called a foul on that one. That was surprising. Inbound to Philpott. Philpott picks up the dribble. Flips it off over to Goodman, who nails the two. And a nothing but net shot. 17 seconds to go. It's 54-52. Zionsville lead and the ball when we start action again. Full timeout, Noblesville. All right, here we go. Panola to throw it into Dockich. That's who they wanted to get it to. And there's the foul. So this could likely be the deciding moments of the contest. For all you Eagle fans out there, right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. 14 and a half seconds to play. And Dockich can make it a two-possession game if he can nail both free throws. It is a 1-and-1 situation. So we'll see what happens. Noblesville, several scenarios here. Now, oddly enough, they are taking Mills out of the ball game, who's been one of the better three-point shooters. They are inserting number 12, Jordan Saul. Shot is up. It's good. And now this is the big one. And he missed it. Philpott grabs the rebound. Here comes Goodman. Goodman it hit off the official. And now what's the call? Oh, they're going to say Zionsville ball. That ball hit off the official, and it went out of bounds. So luck was on the Eagles' side tonight. An errant pass that deflected off the official and sailed out of bounds. Still not over. 8 seconds to go. Judd struggling to get the ball in, gets it to Dockich, and he is fouled. And now Dockich, if he can hit one free throw, can essentially put the game out of reach, making it a two-possession contest with 6 seconds to play. Shot is up. It is good. Dockich got it. And that's the big one. So now a chance to make it a 5-point game. He got it. Timeout, Zionsville. 5.8 seconds to play. Well, I want to thank everybody for easy enough for me to say. I want to thank everybody for joining us tonight right here on Audio Sports Online. Certainly appreciate you doing that. As we remind you that our next Zionsville Eagle broadcast is going to come your way the 7th of February. So next, I believe that is next Thursday, will be the next time we'll see you. So we'll look forward to that. And then we'll also see you on February the 9th against Pike. So a couple games coming up next week. And I want to thank everybody for joining us tonight as the Eagles going to take home another win here. All right, here we go. Duncan to throw it in. Long lob into Goodman. Goodman dribbles left side, pulls back, fires the three. It's up. It's good. Unfortunately, the Millers cannot stop the clock for them, and Zionsville takes it 57-55. Great game. Good job, Eagles. I want to thank everybody for joining us tonight. Thank Greg Shellhouse, the entire athletic staff here at Zionsville High School. 57-55. Zionsville takes it over Noblesville. Until next time, I'm Rob Kendall saying so long, everybody.